Hello my crafty friends, it's Nikki here, and we're going to hopefully finish up these cards today. And I had one left that I needed to attach on. I don't know what, there it is. And then we're going to use my homemade stamp positioner to put the sentiments in the inside, and then we're going to decorate with some Nuvo Drops. All right, shall we get started? Let's move all this out so I can go ahead and start this. All right. Okay. 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and pop up our tree like we did last time. This is already attached, so all we have to do is put the tree on. Now, hindsight being 20/20 as it always is, when I'm making a batch of cards, I usually just stamp the inside of the card bases first before I put on all the outer layers. But I didn't do that this time, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, there's that. And then let's put on our bow with the glue dot. Okay, so there's that one. And I have a card already in here. Okay, this is a side folding photo frame from IKEA, and I evened it up the best I could. Let's see. And we're going to use the gold ink again. I think altogether, I bought the frame, which was very reasonable, less than $10, I believe. And then I bought some, got some stronger acrylic to put on the front. And then I bought the magnets. Oops, that's not. Ooh. The timer's still running, but I just wanted to go through this and not bore you with the details. I did not put a magnetic sheet. I did put a magnetic sheet behind this, so that of course the magnets would stick, but I didn't put any more cushioning behind it so the magnets would work. And it's kind of messy. I use it a lot, but so here we go. All right, let's take one of the dryer runs. Oh, that one's not good. Dang it. Okay. Okay. We have a lot of colors to choose from here. We've got the red, we've got the green. So let's go ahead and just see what. This is Ruby Slippers, kind of a glitzy. Yeah, I think that one would look good. Since we have both red and green here, we can do both. We can do, let's see, right here. with, just like with the stamping blends or any alcohol marker, the Nuvo Drops kind of take a little bit of finesse too. Sometimes I do fine and sometimes I don't. Okay, 30 seconds. Finding the space for them to dry is the challenge because I have such a small space. Okay. Okay. All right, there we are. We got them all done. And we got 3 actually, kind of a little bit of extra bling. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so you can make these your own, of course, but they are done. And so I want to thank you very much. This is part 4, and so 10 minutes. We got 6 cards done in 40 minutes or just a little bit after. And so thank you again to Brandy for the inspiration and her grandma, and thank you for watching. And I will be back with some other challenges from Shabby Dabby Doodah, and I'm looking forward to Alicia's next sheetload of cards. And so thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.